Welcome back to Unicorn Poop. It's me, Neela, and today I don't know, this is so random. I decided I want to turn this stiff putty into nice fluffy slime. So let's get to it. So, guys, I want this slime to be, is that like a good angle? I hope so. So I want the slime, I want it to be like a pinky. So let's take it out. It used to be like one side was pink and then one side was blue, I think. But I mixed it together. This is the color of it. It's really stiff, and as you can see, it kind of falls apart. But I have some really good materials that is gonna help us to make it not so like stiff. So let's get to it. So I think so. I have some glue. I don't know. I got it from like all my slime bin, and so I don't know if it's still like good. And then it's not, I have this purple one, which is basically I used to just a tad bit on the side in case it's not full. And then I also have some activator in case it's too watery. I don't think we're going to be needing that to change color. I have some food dye and then some foam soap to make it fluffy. And trust me, it does work. So hold on, guys. Let's get out the big guns. Oh, that she wants is another baby. Come on out. There's like nothing in there, but let's mix this up anyway. Wow, y'all. That was good. You are safe with me. It made it a little stickier, but it didn't really make it like not so stiff. So we're gonna use this one now. And then maybe, guys, do you think shampoo would work or like body wash? Okay, this one needs to come out. Okay, stuff is coming out of this one. See, it's definitely working a little. Oh my god, okay. Y'all keep unfolding. Like, can you not? Okay, so I think there's just a little bit left in there that needs to come on out. Oh my lord, okay. So definitely some stuff still left in there. And then I might try to shampoo hack, but I don't know if that's gonna work. I feel it in my bones. Okay, so there she is. All the glue. Look at that. Wow. Let's rub it in. Oh my lord. Okay. Definitely getting my hands a little gluey for this project. Oh wait, this is actually making it better. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh. Oh my lord, y'all. So it's actually like kind of turning into slime almost. Okay, so to make it all fluffy, even though it's so fluffy already, I don't want slime fluffy, not pretty fluffy. We're gonna be using some of this. So, okay, guys, this is actually starting to turn into slime. Okay, so basically, I want it to have like a good color to it. So, and I might do the shampoo after, but let's just see it now. So there's a pink. I think I'm gonna try to pink because it might turn purple, which might be a pretty color. So I don't know what this is for, but cool. Okay. I'm gonna do about 1, 2, and maybe 3. Okay, I think that's about good. Okay, here it is. It almost looks like blood. I'm gonna take my bracelet off for this. It's a Kendra. It's so pretty. It's a brand new today, and it's beautiful. And it changes colors. I love it. Let's get this. Welcome to the new games. Welcome to the new. Oh my god, this is changing colors so quickly. Well, honestly, not really. I don't know. Okay, so it's kind of turning a purple almost, I can see. Okay, it's still kind of blue. It's still kind of blue, though. Okay, so basically, guys, it's like this, kind of. It's like this. It's like a gray. It's gray. So I want a pink. So now it's kind of like a white, which is going to be an easier canvas, I feel, for the pink or the red to kind of submerge. Oh, that's so much. Okay, we don't want that to fall out. So we're going to mix it again. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of, I don't know. It's like, okay, so it's kind of turning pinky now. Okay. Wait, guys, it's kind of turning a little pinky. Yes. Okay, so it's still just like a gray color, but it's like more pinky now. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's like almost like a tint of like red. Like, do you guys see it? I don't know. The camera like can't pick it up, but we're gonna. That's a lot, but honestly, you go big or you go home. So let's do this. So like. Okay, so I think this is going to be the last set of drops because it's turning pink and it's like turning into a color that I like. Ooh, guys, this is like a rose gold. Guys, I have like a rose gold now. Oh, I still don't know if the camera can pick it up. Okay, we're gonna try to move the camera a little so there's no shadow. Can you see that? It's like a rose gold. I don't know if y'all can pick it up, but it's like a rose gold and it's really pretty. So, but I think it can be more slime-like and less putty-like. So we're gonna go get the shampoo and try it out. Okay, guys. So we have baby lotion, and shampoo. So let's hope this kind of works. So let's make a canvas. We're gonna squirt it. This is the L'Oreal Paris. I don't know how to pronounce like the type of shampoo. Oh, she came out quick when she came out. And if she's too watery, I might use the baby lotion. I don't know if that'll help, but I feel it in my bones. Yep, it's definitely working like as a glue. I'm just scared it'll be too stringy. So it's definitely working. Okay, wait. Okay, so it's starting to turn to like the slime consistency. Okay, and it's getting a little sticky. So honestly, that's a good sign that's turning into slime. So it's a little like melty. See how it's like melting, and before it kind of just ripped. So that's a sign, I think, that we might need some lotion. Let's add that. We're adding a little bit of lotion. Perfect. Guys, this slime is turning fantastic. It honestly is amazing. Like, guys, I love it. But guys, do you think we can get a little more pink? I think we can get a little more pink. Also, guys, happy Father's Day. Like, did I say that already? Like, happy Father's Day, guys. This is getting close to... Wow, that spread so quickly. Oh my lord, okay. I think this is the pinkest we're gonna get. Like, I don't think we're gonna get exactly like pink. I think we're gonna get like a maroon color, or not a maroon, more like a rose gold. So this is it, guys. I think this is the final piece. It is super like nice and like slimy, guys. And I love it. And we're gonna add maybe a little more. Because You know, I'm a shampoo girl. I want the slime to be nice and like moldy. You know, not moldy like mold on food, but like it's not hard. Okay, so it's getting a little too sticky. So it's like I'm going back and forth. I want it really sticky. I don't want it sticky. Like, choose one, girl. But should I use some activator, guys? It's getting too sticky. Okay, I think I'm gonna use a tad bit of activator. So I think, oh, see guys, look how sticky that was. Okay, anyways, I think we're gonna use this. Make it sticky. This, that. How this works. I'll just dump it. Is there anything left in there even? What even is this? Okay. Bro, what? In the, oh my lord. Is this activator? Guys, I don't know if you saw that. But I think we're just gonna mix it in. Hopefully it like activates it. I don't know. Better not be like glue or something. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys. Kinda worked. I don't really know. Okay, I think it kind of worked, guys. I don't understand really. So we need a little more. It kind of worked, so don't really know what this is. It's like a jelly. But this is her. Okay, yeah, it worked. And I'll see y'all next time. Like, this is how the slime turned out. It's a pink, like a rose gold, fluffy slime that is amazing. But anyways, bye guys. Heart you. I don't know if you can see that. Heart you. Peace.